So I've been sitting on this video for quite a while now. How do you clean solar panels? Well, first you got to get yourself a pressure washer. This is the pressure washer I chose in September of 2022. Then you got to get a device that attaches to that pressure washer. This one I like because it has the wheels on it and it's easy to use. So here you can see cleaning the solar panels is easier when you're on the ground, but you still have to clean the top part of them. The thing about that little device, the nice thing is you can pressure wash it, you can roll it side to side, front to back, forward, etc. I'm not using soap, all I'm using is water because I don't want to leave behind a film. Some soap leaves behind films. Really all I want to do is get the dust and dirt off the solar panels. Our road was under construction for about a year, and so basically we lived on a gravel road for a year. These solar panels were extremely dirty. As you can see the entire line every time that I go to clean. And so you can actually see when I miss. But you know, it certainly turned out better than I thought it would, and it was certainly a lot easier than I thought it would be. Took my father-in-law and I about an hour to do this. He wanted to play as well, so he got in there, and then I took a picture of him cleaning it. But the solar panels turned out a lot better than I thought they would. They were pretty clean, and it's been so long since I've done this video that I probably need to clean them again. If you made it this far, I appreciate it, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks.